conflict rises, hearts grow cold. Over money, roles or plans untold. We seek solutions, fair and true, but deeper wounds still bleed right through. Beyond the facts, there lies the pain of harsh words spoken, silent strain. Not just resolve, but hearts must mend, where grace and truth together blend. Through Christ we're reconciled, forgiven, loved, and undefiled. He bore our sin, He paid the price. Now we extend His love, His life. Confess the wrong, forgive the fall. Let mercy answer every call. For peace is more than just a truce. It's healing found at Jesus' cross. God made the way through His own Son. The work of grace is never done. He gave to us this sacred call to reconcile and love through all. So let us walk in gospel light, restoring wrongs, making things right. In every conflict, big or small, Christ is our peace, our all in all.